What is up, everybody? This is FNHL with a brand new video to talk about how you can get the iOS 13 beta on your device. You don't need to jailbreak your device. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to do anything shady. This is straight from your phone. Apple has released the public beta, and I'm going to basically walk you through how to do it. So I took off the beta program from my phone so I can show you exactly what to do step by step if you didn't want to watch the other video. I know a lot of people don't want to watch like a few videos just to get to the main point, so I just deleted it straight up. I'll leave this link in the description below. All you do is essentially you go to this link, you click on the enroll your device section, scroll down a little, click download profile. Do this from a Safari, click allow. Once the profile is downloaded, all you have to do is go to settings, go to general, and go to profile and device management. In here you'll see your profile, which you can see over here. It is essentially downloaded. Just need to install it. Once it's installed, well, press install. It says to restart it. You can restart your phone. I didn't. It's still fine. And then after that, go straight to download, and voila, you'll see the iOS 13 public beta is there. It is 3.85 gigs. It is available on the same devices that the iOS 13 video initially I made will be available on, so you can get it on I believe iPhone 7, iPhone SE, and up, and I believe iPad has its own iOS. So yeah, that's literally it. You can now get it. You can test it out. You can be one of the beta testers. Let the Apple know their opinion. Obviously, this comes out in September. They said fall, but usually September when the iPhone comes out. It'll probably come out a couple weeks before, probably like September 14th, maybe, give or take. Probably it's usually a couple weeks before or is it usually after? Oh, it's usually a couple weeks before the phone comes out. I apologize. So you'll see it around September, October. You'll see this come out. So obviously we'll go from there. But yeah, here's the iOS 13 beta. Do let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Are you going to get it? Do you hate it? If you already have it, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But overall, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that FNH out. Peace.